Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make the king of curries, Vindaloo. Before I start, please take a second to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you. To make BIR Style Vindaloo, you will need 250 milliliters of curry base gravy, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf, 2 dried Kashmiri chillies cut into pieces, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 3 cardamom pods, just the seeds, 1 tablespoon of mixed powder or curry powder, half a teaspoon of fennel, coriander powder and cumin, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, fresh black pepper and turmeric, 3 to 4 teaspoons of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste mixed with 6 tablespoons of water, quarter of a cup of fresh finely chopped coriander, 2 chopped green finger chillies, 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu, 2 slices of tomato, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, either white, malt, cider, white wine or a mix of any, quarter of a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, and quarter of a teaspoon of garam masala. Add the oil to a pan on a medium heat and add in the star anise and bay leaf. Fry for 30 to 60 seconds, stirring occasionally until they become aromatic. Add in the garlic and ginger paste and stir through continuously for around 30 seconds. Drop in the chopped up Kashmiri chillies and stir into the oil. You'll notice they start colouring the oil almost straight away. Add the Kashmiri chilli powder, mix through and allow to fry gently for a minute. Add a little base gravy if it's looking a little dry. It's fine to add some at any time when needed. Remember, you're looking to gently fry the spices, not burn them. Now add the salt, pepper, spice mix, cardamom seeds, chilli powder, fennel, coriander powder, cumin and turmeric. Mix in well to form your vindaloo paste, adding a small amount of base at any time if required to keep the paste loose. Continue to fry for a further minute. If you ever have gritty or grainy curries, it's most likely that you are not cooking out your spices for long enough at this stage. Turn up the heat to high and add in the watered down tomato paste and mix thoroughly. Allow it to cook out for 30 seconds. Sprinkle over the fresh chopped green chillies and the coriander, then add your choice of protein. I'm using my pre-cooked chicken for convenience. Then stir through well, ensuring the meat is covered in the sauce to prevent it drying out. Add a little more base if required and fry for a couple of minutes. Add in the tomato slices, any remaining base gravy and stir through before adding the sugar. Tip over the vinegar and garam masala, stir through and remove the star anise and bay leaf. Have a play around with which vinegar you prefer. This time I've used a mix of 50-50 malt vinegar and white vinegar. Sprinkle over the kasuri methi, gently stir through, scraping the lovely caramelised edges, then allow to reduce to your desired consistency without stirring unless the sauce looks like it's about to burn. If you've used raw meat, remember to check it's fully cooked before serving. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.